Josh never wanted to do MMA? Never?
He's doing jiu-jitsu with me right now.
It's a 3rd degree white belt.
He's white belt. But
4th degree white belt?
He's
I'm a 2-stripe white belt.
I don't know. I think he's 2 or 3 stripe, but he's a really fast learner.
Yeah.
You know, and he's athletically like.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, you can go with them later on.
Yeah. I'm excited.
All right, like this? Yep. All right.
So,
This right hand's gonna go under your thigh.
like that?
Yep. It's in there?
No, a little lower. A little lower. Right there, yeah.
Right there.
That's it, yep.
A little lower, baby.
A little lower.
All right, reach across right there. Bring it.
Oh! Fuck!
Got it.
Is that no reaction? Or?
No, man. Did you hear that pop?
I mean, I heard the pop, but
Holy shit.
it seemed like a bit of an overreaction.
No, man. That was surprising.
Okay.
It's like someone sneaks up on you in the shower when you don't know anyone else is in the house. That's kind of like...
It's like the dog with the cold nose.
Was that a prison joke?
Oh, man.
What's up, everybody? I'm a little beat up from chain yoke. My back.
Sounds like La Paz.
Oof. I heard that one.
Hi, this is Big Man Tyrone. You are on the best channel on the YouTubes. Enjoy this beautiful crack video from the best cracker in the world, Dr. Beau Hightower. Crack away, Dr. H.
And Carlos in the same locker room. So
Carlo,
Condit. So they all had sort of beef at the time. Carlos had just fought Nick Diaz, and they had beef, you know,
Yeah.
wolf tickets, yada yada yada.
Yeah.
Skid over the edge, and then Nate. Obviously, those two roll hard together. And then Diego sort of had some beef with both of them from before. And then they were in there, so we were all in the same locker room, and I was like, "Oh no, is this gonna go down?"
Yeah.
I was like, "How can I sneak out the door here when everybody starts punching?" and they're not scared to like get in fights at events either.
Yeah.
Like they fought Khabib and their whole crew. What was that? Don't mess with the Zohan, where the guy like pulls his foot up and like slaps everybody's face. You never seen that one? Shh. Shh. You telling me to be quiet?
I gotta concentrate.
It's not. I'm trying to be quiet. All right, drop your left shoulder down.
Oh God! So no.
What? Shh. Shh.
Ay ay ay! Holy moly!
Holy moly.
So what was wrong with me? Did you get it? Did you get it all?
Yeah. Let's stand up. You're gonna face that way. I got
Okay.
one more here. Both hands go here. Hashtag thumbnail.
Oh God! That wasn't bad. That one was
All right. See how the neck feels there.
way better. Like, what was out? I felt like it
Yeah.
something was picking me.
All right. Let's go
That
back a
is
little bit
so
again.
crazy, right? You could just see the difference.
Yeah, pretty close there. So this one, we gotta not get the hip. There you go.
Wow, that was amazing. Yeah, because you got the hip on this one, but not that one.
Yeah. So it's the difference in that much as far as your depth.
It's not all food. Is
You made me
not.
try weird foods. Come on, just go sit down for 5
Maybe
minutes.
try weird foods.
And there you go.
But really, though, I feel great. I don't even know
really,
what he's
though.
gonna do.
Nah.
'Cause I feel so good.
Do you?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, lay on your back.
Okay. Are you sure that this is absolutely necessary? Oh, oh no, 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 no. No.
Relax, relax.
I'm really.
Relax.
Oh my God. I
You have to
don't.
relax or you're going to be
Oh
paralyzed.
Jesus. Shut
That helps. That helps a lot.
up. Ooh, let's just, y'all, let's come together in the name of Jesus.
Right now.
Oh no, I really, really don't want to do this. Let the record show that I did not want to do this. Oh, this looks like
Tap
a
your
no.
left foot up and down 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus! I'm done. Help me up. Help me up.
The other
Bruh.
side.
How you can only one side? Was it that bad?
Yes!
Nah, it was not.
Mentirosa, mentirosa.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
Come on, just get it over.
Tell me the tap thing again.
Yeah, so the left foot's gonna go 4.5 times up and down.
What? Oh, Jesus! Help me up! I don't want this anymore. Give it up! I'm done.
Not
You
quite
don't feel
done.
better.
Not quite done.
You're not done. You gotta finish the whole
You gotta
thing.
do,
Your
yeah.
body's gotta be aligned.
Yeah, we
Okay,
gotta get you
now,
right.
You gotta.
All right.
Just
So both
relax.
knees come up right here.
That hurts so bad.
Squeeze your legs together real hard. Squeeze real hard.
Don't let no gas.
I can't do
Squeeze.
that because
Squeeze,
of
squeeze,
the
squeeze.
Okay.
Push.
Ow.
Push up. Yeah, straight both legs.
My neck hurts.
No, it don't. Stop.
No, it feels amazing, honestly.
I know it do.
Oh my gosh! You gotta warn me before you do these things, Doc.
So let's go ahead and sit up,
Okay. Ugh.
and then you're gonna face towards me. Hand goes on the hip like that. Buzz
Wow,
lighter.
I feel loose.
Calm down. You need to relax.
Alright.
Okay.
Sassy hip.
Wow.
Alright, pull this elbow straight back. Pull, 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 pull. You're gonna go like elbow back.
Okay, I'm not that strong.
Alright. Do the other side then. And pull the elbow straight back. Pull, 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 pull. No, that's not gonna go in there.
Okay.
Alright, let's stand up and face that way.
What in the world?
Uh-uh.
Nah, flexible at all.
She's full of a hormone called relaxin right now.
Oh, that was awesome.
Both hands go here and here.
Hey.
Hey, Macarena.
Oh. He's so dramatic.
Y'all, this is crazy. Okay.
All done.
Really? Thanks, Doc.
Survive.
You're amazing. That was wow.
I appreciate it.
My neck feels great. It feels like I'm just floating on air.
There we go.
I could go do a million cartwheels now. I won't.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It scares you at first, and then you get like this euphoric feeling for a second. It's
Endorphins everywhere.
oh, I felt it in my spine and my neck. Oh, that was great. Hey,
Relax completely. We're gonna get this one.
oh my God.
A little low. Drop your left shoulder.
Wow. That's scary, but I felt great.
You get those done, right?
Once in a while, yeah.
Yeah.
They never stop being scary. Oh,
Gotcha.
all right. I yank that. Yank that.
All right. So I probably need somebody to lean on this other side of the table so we don't tip him.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know if this is gonna be good. What the fuck's going on? I don't know what to believe.
There.
It's just gonna be slow, right? I'm scared. Don't rip my arm off. I need it.
Walk off with it. Put it on my wall. Very disarming.
This is savage. Oh, okay, that's really nice, actually. This is good. Should I hold your arm to make it better? Like I could.
No, please don't do that.
Okay. Good old hands.
There we go.
Why is that? Because if I hold, then it's I tense up. Is that why?
No, I just don't want a giant man holding my hand. It's fine.
No giant man holding your hands. What is this you're doing here?
I'm clearing his pec minor here.
Clearing his pick minor?
Yeah. It's not bad though. What's gonna go? Yeah.
Oh my god. You know, I've seen that shit on your videos 100 times. I've always wanted you to do it. It feels great, but holy shit, is that kind of like weird? Oh my gosh.
Loud, right?
Oh yeah, dude.
You get the giggle reaction?
Oh, dude, but it feels like you almost like, dude. You know what? Whatever. Fuck it. Oh man.
That reaction.
It feels like you broke shit inside though. It sounds like that.
Yeah. Let's go to your ears too. So, all right, grab the table with your right hand. So feel how tense that is right there.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna feel it shift in a second, and the shoulder's gonna go all the way back to the side. So now the next couple times you go, it should be a lot less tension. All right, this hand's gonna go down towards your foot. This way? Yep. It's actually not bad. Shrug. Shrug? Yep. Not too painful then? Mm-mm. So most people, their pecs are real tight in the front edge there where they have stuff, so yours is all right. Right there. All right, let's go to the left. A little bit. Give me about 5 of those. Oh, God. As easy as this shit looks, people's really not. Nope. That's too. Not a walk in the park. There we go. Yeah, not bad. That's 5. Oh, Jesus Christ, why does this feel bad? Oh, shit. Fuck. What the hell was that? Oh, decompression. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, this is, his apex is low, so it's gonna be right here.
What does that mean?
Most people's curvature is here in their spine, yours is a little lower.
So is that bad?
It means that it's harder for you to have good posture, just naturally.
Oh.
So when people give you shit, you're like, man, I'm kind of made that way.
Like a Neanderthal.
Don't blame me.
Don't blame me.
My ancestor had sex with a Neanderthal, it's fine. That's why I got this thick ass beard, right?
Mm-hmm. Ah, shit. Son of a bitch. Yo, Doc, you doing this shit on purpose, bro?
A little bit.
You motherfucker. Jesus. Oh, God.
Yeah, that one's not bad.
Oh, shit.
Look up a little bit. Yeah, just the rib. Not bad. There's some trigger points there, though.
These things are stressful as hell. These things are stressful as hell. I'm sitting here literally like...
Sweating?
Yeah, I'm sweating. Look at my forehead. Look at this. Oh my God. He's still not done. God. I feel like the problem with these massages, these type of massages, is that they hurt so much that you end up tensing up. So I don't even know if you ever really relaxed or what. And I know you're not massaging, you're trying to beat some shit up inside, but...
What was that again?
I didn't mean to say that. I'm under a lot of stress right now, people. Don't judge me by anything I'm saying right now.
Right there's tight. If Melky can't talk, that means yes.
I'm just trying to do your thing, dog. Jeez. You know, I'm really trying to tough it out, but this shit really is not that.
I feel bad about it. I feel bad about it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, he's probably right.
No, you don't. You probably want to do this your whole life.
So we go right here. Both hands go up here. This? Yeah, so scoop under here. Put your hands a little tighter. And look up. Good. All right. Take a few steps. Let's see how. Except no stuck there.
Yep.
All right.
Ooh. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Did anybody else hear
Yeah,
that?
we heard it.
All right, this was a little bit lower. So we'll go right to there. Not bad.
Big man.
Oh, yeah, it's my turn.
Hold Tom's feet down.
Do what I gotta do. This is why I lift
We're
weights.
not gonna like this time.
Exactly.
Strong. Stronger than me, at least.
Yep.
Yeah, thanks.
Ooh, mamacita, yeah. Is it the scaling?
Levator's cap on him.
Wow.
Said mama
Fucking fucking.
Why you overreacted?
Oh, was he overreacting?
Ah!
Oh.
Okay,
Why-
well, yeah, you got me in a good spot.
Yeah, get him really good in a good spot.
Killing your eyeball, huh?
You're a creep.
Who's letting news DMs?
Honestly, that was me.
Yeah, honestly, that was me. I was creeping first.
Yeah, I mean, I DM a lot of people. I slide a lot.
Like, don't think you're special.
Yeah. Honestly, if you're in a Star Wars movie, you're not on the Alliance, dude. You're on the Empire.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's the best. That's the best.
Yeah. Who wants to be on the Alliance?
Yeah.
You get killed all the time.
Son. Or that white stormtrooper deer hit my head on the door.
Oh gosh.
not shoot anything ever. Have the worst accuracy. Like,
Yeah,
like
that
the tactical
was,
training program for the stormtroopers. Jesus Christ.
It's like 1,000 shots.
Yeah.
No one hits anything.
Does the stormtrooper chiropractor just miss everything?
Apparently, like Jesus. So, you know, it's not set for stun, it's set for like random spray every possible way. Set for a void. Embarrassing, really embarrassing. You got great uniforms. They clearly can't see because homeboy hit his head on the thing. Then they tried to retcon it, you know, and all their clones. No, they were individuals before.
They
okay?
were bad. They were all just bad.
They were just dudes, okay? And I guess other pronouns that, sorry if I offended anybody.
I think the stormtroopers are all dudes. Oh, that again?
Yep, now again. Right's worse though. That again. Here we are again. Tommy thinks it's over.
Dig it around his chesticles?
Yeah, chesticles.
Taters?
Yep. Alright, flip over, go on your stomach.
Ooh, I don't know how electric this is going.
Oh, that looks nice.
Tongue there.
Getting that microphone in there, bro.
Is it getting in there, bro? Let's see if there's any here. Yep.
What are you? I have never.
What does that say?
Oh!
Whoa! Does that work on me?
Probably not.
Are you pulling it outwards towards you? That is weird.
Go on your side facing towards me. Arm up. Scoot all the way to it.
Ooh, thoracics. A lumbar.
Oh, this one's great.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, don't fall. There you go. Other side. Yep. This table height is not fantastic.
No. Is it a little short?
Really high for me.
Really high?
Ooh, okay. Alright, stand up. Face that way. Both hands here.
Here?
Yep. Look down. Relax. Not good on that one. Alright, what's it right here? The sassies. On the hip. Pull the elbow back. Pull.
Oh, wow, that was cool.
And pull. Pull. we got greedy on the left one.
Yeah.
We're like, man, that was so good.
Yep.
Alright, see if we got anything in the wrist.
Yep.
No, that's bad. Punch stuff?